California, Amador, and Calaveras. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a tornado warning for west central Calaveras County in Northern California, southern Amador County in Northern California until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:11 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Valley Springs or near Paloma, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Campo Seco around 5:20 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Paloma and San Andreas around 5:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in California, Amador, and Calaveras.